Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I am going to demonstrate you regarding MobilePay. MobilePay is very famous upcoming digital app which is widely used in entire Europe, and you can easily transfer money to any person using MobilePay, or can also go cashless to various grocery stores, electronic stores here in Europe. It's a widely used and very common application for cashless transactions. Let's go ahead and see how you can install and use MobilePay and which is the best method and different features in MobilePay. So let's start the demonstration of how to install the MobilePay app and how to access it, as I informed you. So go to your app store and write MobilePay and just download it. The app is available in both iPhone and Android, so you can easily access the same using both the phone. So if you are an existing user, just say log on existing user, and if you don't have a mobile, so go with the option I have never had a MobilePay. Let me show you with I have never had a MobilePay. For this you need an activation number, your mobile number for the first time, then just say go. It shows that I am already an existing user, so it will not allow me to create another ID. You can only create one ID per one mobile number. So I'll just go and say continue, and then I have to write here my mobile number and I have to give the code to it, and the activation code you will receive in form of a message. Then we will go to messages and we will just copy this activation code, and we will again go to our app window and we will just paste it. So here in Denmark we have to use a MobilePay, so now we have to enter it with your CPR number, which is very unique and personal. So enter your CPR number and say OK, and that's it. If you want to allow the Bluetooth access, say allow, OK, and if you want to have the notifications, just say continue and say allowed. Now it's ready to use. You can send the money to anyone. You can also request the money, or you can just you can also scan the QR code from this option. So if you go to any shop and see this QR code scan, just use this option and scan it. And it is available in everywhere, in every shop. The MobilePay, you can use it very easily. You can also gift someone using MobilePay. Like for example, you can just you want to give the pumpkin latte coffee to anyone, just go here and type here and just send it to them. It is very accessible, and these are the different information which is available. You can also have a membership on this. There are the different stores of Denmark which provides you membership. If you want to store the receipts of all the transactions, then you can use this, but that's fine for me, it's already saved. So these are the different options available. So you can go for subscription. This is very beautiful. You can find different stores where you can just go and use the subscriptions, get it, and you'll get discounts on different subscriptions. Then these are the boxes which gives you okay if you want to collect money for your party, and if you want to send it via scan to your friends or within your group, you can just create this box and you can send the link to different users for MobilePay. So people will automatically transfer you here, and then you can use the money wherever the desired activity that you are thinking. So this is a wonderful app overall. I highly recommend you to install if you are coming to Denmark and if you are new here. It helps you a lot. You don't have to worry about like cash or having a debit card or any other facilities. It is easily accessed. So if you are coming to any European country, this app is very helpful for all the transactions. You don't have to worry about like carrying cash all the time and about your cards. This is very digital app. I highly recommend you to download and use this app, and do let me know your comments on this app. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.